Hey everyone, John Hayden from General Civilian here. So this week decided to take the combined assembly of our RS-1 mask and our filter square and really test it at maximum levels of exertion. So quick caveat, don't do this at home. It's not advisable to wear a mask under extreme physical exertion. But for us, we've been working on testing how to optimize filtration efficacy, breathability, etc. And so I wanted to see how the system performed under these sort of extreme conditions. So I went down to the track to test out 400-meter wind sprints. So I'm going to report back on how that was, how we did. And but before we do, I wanted to thank Laura Meddy from Autoblocks. Laura, thank you for sending me a demo kit of your cool product. Here it is, for those of you who haven't seen it. Basically, you've got sets of these really neat, I would say, like little architectural shapes. And of course, you can fidget with them all day, which is useful. But there are various configurations that can also be quite helpful when you combine them. It's great to have it on hand. I found this really helpful, combining these three pieces into a little phone stand so you can put your phone down and record a video. That's what we did this week. We took otoblocs and the RS-1 combined assembly to the track, and here are the results. Quick impressions, came out strong, was rocking pretty fast. Definitely, it was good, but for about half of the 400 meters, and then it started to get hard. Admittedly, sprinting with the mask is tough. I think I have pretty decent VO2 max, but yeah, it was tough for sure. Definitely don't want to be sprinting a whole lot with the mask, but I did breathe. I definitely survived. Cool, thanks.